Many court forms ask for your gross monthly income, but most people are not paid by the month, making this sometimes tricky to figure out. It's important to try to get this figure right, as it may affect your case. In this video, we'll give you some tools and tips to help you calculate your monthly income so you can successfully complete your form. We can show you some quick math to figure out how to take your weekly, bi-weekly, or semi-monthly pay and make it into a monthly salary. Quick tip, if you're not sure what gross income is or if you are salaried, we've got other short videos you can watch to help you figure that out. Let's start if you are paid weekly. To calculate your monthly salary, you'll first need to calculate your annual salary. Do this by multiplying your weekly pay by 52. That's how many weeks are in a year. Then, step 2, take your annual salary and divide by 12. Let's take a look at an example. Say you make $950 every week. How much do you make per month? Step 1. We first need to calculate how much you make each year. We'll need to multiply your weekly pay by how many times you're paid each year. Let's put in some numbers. Your gross weekly pay is $950 per week. You get paid every week of the year, so 52 times a year. Multiply these numbers together and we have your gross annual income, $49,400. But for your form, you need your monthly income. Step 2, take your annual income to get your monthly income. In this example, his annual income was $49,400. Take this and divide by 12, which is $4,116. He makes $4,116 each month. Now let's talk about if you're paid bi-weekly. To start, you need to know the difference between bi-weekly and semi-monthly. People often get this confused. Bi-weekly means you're paid every other week, like every other Friday. You're paid 26 times a year. This is not the same as semi-monthly, which means you're paid twice per month, say on the 1st and 15th. Then you're paid 24 times a year. It's important to know the difference because you need to know how many times per year you're paid to calculate your income. Now back to bi-weekly. Let's walk through the calculations. First, we need to find your annual income. To do this, we multiply what you make every 2 weeks times 26. Then, step 2, divide your annual income by 12. Let's take a look at an example. What's my monthly income if I make $2,000 every other week? First, calculate your annual income. So that's 2,000 times 26. You earn $52,000 a year, but we need your monthly income. Step 2, divide your annual income by 12. So 52,000 divided by 12, that's $4,333 per month. Finally, what if you're paid semi-monthly, meaning 2 times per month? To get your monthly income, simply double your pay. Example, say you make $2,700 twice a month, multiply by 2, you make $5,400 every month.